This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Quick video here as the market starts showing signs of pullback. And let's say the market is due for a major pullback, a major sell-off, maybe even enter into a bear market. If that situation develops, one of the things we have to be careful is avoid owning instruments that are breaking down severely. In other words, you don't want to be owning instruments that might be the leaders on the way down. Definitely nobody wants that, especially from a bullish perspective. And if you're looking for bearish situations, then the same method can also be used for timing your entry into a bearish sell-off or potentially getting yourself closer to those types of situations. So, quick video. The method is going to be in the description of the video so we can save time. I call this method the ultimate Muathe sell signal. It is the exact opposite method to the other method which I call the ultimate Muathe breakout. So pretty much the same but in the opposite direction. Again, the link for this method is going to be in the description of the video. So the method is simple, and what you need to be on the lookout for is a breaking down. For example, here we can see this instrument is breaking or threatening to break recent monthly lows. We can see a monthly low here, or we can even use this monthly low. Either of them is valid. So let's say it breaks below the price there. Right now it is recovering above it, but let's say again it eventually breaks this. So any of these breaks would be a material breach, and that in itself is a warning sign. But the key takeaway is be on the lookout for the technicals would be my suggestion, because in this particular instant we see the ultimate Muathe sell signal because of the RSI being close to 3-year lows. You can see it's not too far off, and if it slashes below this level, that's moving to fresh monthly lows on the RSI. Not a good sign. And by the way, this is a monthly chart. I should have mentioned that. And we can see that the MACDs are already trading below zero. So again, the price needs to hold. Otherwise, if the market starts pulling back and pushes instruments below certain levels, these types of instruments, and especially instruments that are going to be meeting the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe sell signal, these instruments are going to turn into the fresh new leadership on the way down. In other words, they're going to see the biggest, fastest drops. So making sure if you're bullish that you're not part of the washout means you need to understand, in my opinion, the simple method. Again, links for this method for your consideration. See whether it aligns with your way of thinking. Right there, the ultimate Muathe sell signal. Links in the description. With a ton of videos, I believe there's about 30 videos in this list, and this is the free version, but lots of examples. And so be it. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love, light, love. Namaste.